Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox iPhone SE 2nd Gen 2020. This one is 64GB. They come in 3 colors, black like here, and then it's also white and red, okay? So this one is straight talk and total wireless, locked to these 2 carriers. It's only gonna work with these 2, okay? So it comes with this thing. So it's has a SIM card inside, so let's open it. So this thing come attached to it like this. Then we can open over here. That's straight talk, total wireless, and SIM card is over here. Okay, put this on the side. Okay, then we can open it. So this one is full size box. So it comes with wall charger and earphones. Okay, if you buy from Apple, they no longer comes with those. They come with just the cable. So like these, have manual here. Manual. Have stickers, paper, SIM tool. Okay, here's the phone. It was sealed, but kind of dusty already. I don't know why. How it looks like. So it looks like iPhone 8 or iPhone 7 or basically iPhone 6s and 6. Similar. Same design. Okay, comes with earphones. Five-watt wall charger. And USB to Lightning cable. Okay. If you buy from Apple, it now comes with a different cable and only cable. It comes with the USB-C to Lightning instead. So you have to buy a different wall charger. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.